Set Prep Homestead.
Today is Thursday, October 31st, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, Pythons. Wait, Rocco, I thought we were supposed to dress up as pom-poms.
I got the memo to be a pumpkin, bro.
Who said that?
Me?
And Missing Menace is wearing a pumpkin too?
We're the pumpkin duo!
We have a group chat for a reason, guys. You know what? Now here are your daily announcements.
Lucas? I think you need to know something.
What?
You're welcome to join us.
Okay. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay spooky, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
I'm gonna get a sugar rush tonight. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of it every day. Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow more news and updates. Have a great day. Go Pythons!